Hey guys, it's me, Michelle True. Today I want to unbox some of the mystery Munchlings. I love these so much. I love the smell of them.
It smells so good.
And I decided to just do an unboxing because I want to collect all of them. All right, let's get to it. This is the Disney Munchling ice cream. Actually, frozen treats, scented plush. Let's get it on. Ooh, smell. Oh, this one smells like I already have it. No, I don't have this one.
Oh my god.
It's Lotso.
So Lotso is a strawberry sundae. He is so adorable.
God, it smells so good.
All right, so I do not have this one yet. So yay, I like this. All right, I'm gonna set this aside. All right, number 2. Let's see. This one doesn't really smell, so I don't know.
No way.
So, let me tell you, there's a mystery character in every single box. And this one,
Dun, 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 dun.
It's Oogie Boogie.
this is the mystery one. And doesn't say, I can't tell, I guess it's chocolate. I am so happy. Like this is, yes, I wanted this one. I love it. I'm so happy I got this.
He's so freaking cute.
Okay. Oh my god, I feel like I should just stop doing the unboxing now because I have what I want. I'm just kidding. I want every single
One.
I can see something on top. No. Oh, okay, so we have this one already. So this is Hades, and it's the blueberry jam ice cream cone. Okay, I might do a giveaway. I mean, they're extra, so I might as well, right? All right. Next. These are the sweet treats.
No way. No way.
So this, like I said, they all have mystery characters. And I just got him. Oh no. This is my favorite. Eris loves Donald Duck. This is Donald Duck. I think I can't tell. The sweet treats all kind of smell the same, but I don't know what this smells like, and it doesn't say on the box.
Really just says mystery character.
But oh my god. Isn't he cute? It's Donald Duck. Eris is gonna be so happy when he sees this one. I mean, I can just stop now and not even open these ones, but I'm gonna keep going. I see it. I'm cheating. We have this one. Okay, this is Goofy, and this is the chocolate brownie bar. I have 3 duplicates. I'm going to do a giveaway for sure. And let's open the last one. No. Okay. I'm definitely doing a giveaway. Another Goofy. I'm gonna do a giveaway. If you like Munchlings and you would like to win either the Hades or the Goofy or the Winter Mint Oogie Boogie, like and subscribe and comment down below which Munchlings you have and which ones you would like to have. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye.